Hello everyone, Shraddha here. Sorry for this delay. I had some family issues. So today I will be talking about Quora marketing in business. So far we have discussed about what is Quora marketing, what is the space, how to start earning on Quora, like how to make your space stand out of other space, how to start like inviting people for your space, how to get more than 100 followers within 1 week or something like that, and like these kind of thing that we have touched. Today I am trying to touch a different topic that will be very much beneficial for those who are interested in marketing and who are looking for some fresh jobs, and or who are already into who are get into a marketing job but they are unable to like give some good response or good results to the company. So I'll talk about these things. So first thing is, suppose I am looking for a job and you are also looking for a job, and like it's your turn to like sit for interview, and now interviewer has started firing questions like what changes you can bring to your companies if we hire you. So you will be saying like, being a marketer, I'll do this and that, all these things which are already there on Google. Okay, so but when my turn will come, I'll talk about something differently that is not there on Google, that no one has discussed so far. So this will be something which will grab his attention towards me, so which will help me to get shortlisted for sure. So now if I talk about like uh, what will what was my answer, so that like he got attracted towards my answer, start thinking about hiring me and trying at least once. So what will I say? I'll say like, I'll try something new. It's not like what I've read in my books, what I've read in MBA, or what is there in the internet. I'll try something new from my side. We are in 2021 and we are using different kind of tactics, starting from Google ads to Facebook post, social media post, different kind of things, inviting your friends, using email marketing, and typing your email template, and every possible thing that we can do for marketing, we are doing everything. But still we are forgetting, we are missing something that is very important, that can help us to hit millions of audience, which is nothing but Quora marketing. Okay, so when you'll talk about Quora, he'll say, okay, suppose we have created our account on Quora, then what will you do to what would be your next step? So you can say like, what okay, so now let me tell you, if you are something in marketing place and you want some good results and you want to stand out of other marketers, what should you do? Okay, nothing. You have to ask your manager or someone who is in higher position than you. Just ask him, like, take permission that you want to try something new. If he gives you permission, just go to Quora, create your account. Create it, not yours. It would be good if you also have one account there, because it will again be useful for that company's account. Just go, create company's account, put logo, put cover photo, fill all the description that are there, and then once you have created your account, you have filled all the details, just create your space from that account. Once you have created your space, again do the same thing, fill the descriptions, put the photo, put the logo and everything, just do everything. Then set a frequency to put post on your space. And also, whatever your company is doing, like the sector in which your company is, just start following some topics on Quora related to that sector. And now start looking for some question related to your sector. Say your company is in fashion, so you can ask like, what kind of changes are there in fashion industry within this 1 year. You can search for these kind of question, and now you can reply for this question from your company's account, saying that we at whatever your company name is, we at this doing this, and now you can mention some of the changes. And you have shared the answer, just post the answer. Now it's your turn. not your, use your account, not your company's account. Use your account, go, go to that answer, upvote that answer, share that answer to two to three more spaces, and if you have good connection, ask your friend to upvote that answer. If your answer have got 4 to 5, yours or your company's answer have got 4 to 5 upvotes, that's great, because you are in the beginning level. So, and then you can again do the same thing on daily basis, at least one or two answer on daily basis. Other than this, you can just keep putting the contents or creative contents on your Quora space, that is your company's Quora space, your company's Quora space. And then you can like, what you can do is, you can send invites from your account. Just share, just get the link of this space, share with different people, set a frequency that you will be sharing around 20 people on daily basis, finish it, and then you can see the changes, how your company is growing. And also what you can do is, whatever your landing page is, like where the conversions happens, so you just put the link of your landing page, and then there in your Quora account, mention it in like top of the Quora account. And then you can share people what kind of products your company is dealing with, and different kind of things you can say. Okay, so you can also impress your company manager or your company's top management level, that you can share that by having a Quora account or having a space, we can get some monetary gain. That is, if you have completed 5,000 to 10,000 or some quality answers, if you have already completed and you have got good number of votes, then you will be getting in for this Quora partner program, and where you can ask questions from your company's account, and for those questions Quora will pay you some amount. And if I talk about Quora space, so Quora space, if you are putting contents, you have got good number of followers, you have got good number of views, your content is good, people are sharing it in other space, these things if you are doing in regular basis, then your space will start like generating some revenue, which will be useful for you. It doesn't matter if it is $1, $10, $20, money is money. Anything you are making, it's good. Like if I don't have anything, I like, I won't say that I need not anything. If I have 5 rupees or 10 rupees, I will be happy, because it's better to have nothing. I have 5 rupees, it would be better to have nothing, no rupees, it would be better. So just do it, because it's very hard to get like amount out of some social media like apps, Facebook, Instagram. We use a lot of like a great amount of time on daily basis on Instagram. What we get nothing, we just waste our time, nothing else. But when you are indulging a bit into Quora, you can just make money, you can set your career, you can do good for your company, and there are many more things. Just do it. And you want, if you want more such tips, just let me know. I'll share some more tips that I use for my companies. I am working for around 4 to 5 companies all over the world, and I'm using different tactics other than what everyone is using. I'm using some different tactics. This is one of such tactics that I have shared, and I will be sharing more such tactics that you will be useful for you as a marketer. So thank you so much. I will be coming soon. I will try to come soon with some new concept based on Quora. Thank you so much. Have a good day.